अस्सलामुअलैकुम। लास्ट वीडियो में मैंने आपको शीशा लगाना सिखाया। इस वीडियो में हम उस फूल को कंप्लीट करेंगे। आपने वीडियो पूरी देखनी है, स्किप नहीं करनी, ताकि आपको अच्छी तरह समझ आ सके और आप सीख सकें।
Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. Girls like me are like a magnet to a knot. Can like a lighter from the ocean. I sell them my devotion and so my thoughts. Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. I found a rainbow in the shade, the safest of places, a better one I saw. I said, fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. Girls like me are like a magnet to a knot. Can like a lighter from the ocean. I sell them my devotion and so my thoughts. Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. I found a rainbow in the shade, the safest of places, a better one I saw. I said, Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. Girls like me, I like a magnet to a knot. Can like a lighter from the ocean. I sell them on devotion and so my thoughts. Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. I found a rainbow in the shade, the shades to places a better one I saw. I said, I said